So today I'm going to show you how to use Cash App pools. Now this is a new feature that is still rolling out, but as you can see here, when you have the latest update, you're going to see the word pool over here on the main page of your Cash App account, which is when the $sign is highlighted. So if you see this, that means you can go through these next set of steps. Now, the way this is going to work is to be able to get started with a pool, you have to start with at least a minimum of $1. And then you can go ahead and click on the word pool here. And then that's going to go ahead and let you get started. Now, it brings up my keyboard to go ahead and fill in what this is going to be for. You can see this kind of just rotates for some examples. And then you can go ahead and click on the word start. So we're going to go ahead and fill this in really quick and show you the next page. All right, so we got here to the next page. I just put in YouTube as the reason for this. And you can see our goal is $1 here for you. And what you can do is go ahead and add different people. Now, here's the best part. If the other person does not have Cash App and doesn't want to have Cash App, they can actually contribute to this from their Apple Pay or their Google Pay accounts as well. So what you're going to do is go ahead and click on add people, and then you're going to see some suggestions right over here. And if they do have Cash App themselves, you can click on the word add on the right hand side over here. Otherwise, you can go ahead and copy the link or share that link to them. As you can see, like we just mentioned, you can send this to somebody who has Apple Pay or Google Pay to contribute to this. Now back over here on this main pool page, you're going to be able to see again your overall goal. You can go ahead and create multiple different pools for different reasons and have different goals. And then you can contribute yourself right over here. It'll keep track of everybody's actual contribution, how much they put into the entire pool. Now for you to be able to contribute, as you can see, there is the contribute word. So if you click on here, it's gonna just bring up your actual amount that you wanna put in and then where you wanna pull that money from. You can do it from your cash balance, or you can go ahead and use a card or bank on file to transfer that money into the pool. And of course, if you are done with collecting all the money for this pool, on the top right-hand side in this section here, you're gonna see those 3 horizontal dots. You're gonna click here, and then there is the close pool, which means it's going to stop any additional payments from coming into this account. So we went ahead and jumped over back to the main page of our Cash App account because I want to show you where this pool sits once you have it up and running. Now for us, we have some money in our account. So you see where it says $15. Yours might be just a bank icon over here. So either way, click on this section over here. And then from this section, you're going to see right over here where it says pools. And again, if you have multiple pools, it'll show you all the active ones. You can click in here and go through those same processes of the settings that you saw earlier. Now I have more to show you when it comes to utilizing your Cash App account, and we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning.